this is my second attempt at a video to show you how to cut up and process a chicken. I'd like to give a lot of credit to my friend Jeremy, who's a butcher. He gave me some great tips and tricks on just how to handle a bird. He said I was close, but had some areas of improvement, so hopefully I can pass those on to you now. Once you've got your chicken, you're gonna start with the wings. You're gonna roll the wing forward a bit, drawing your knife along the back like that, and then just working your knife around the joint there. There we go. There we go, like that. So I'm just take the wing, roll it forward a bit while doing a bit of a relief cut. There we go. 2 wings. Now, take the wing tips off. You just have to find the right spot. Just between the joint. Now we can separate this so you've got your wings in 2 parts here as well. I find it helps to open this up a little bit. Oops. There we go, 2 parts of wings. Next, I like to take the legs and thighs off. Again, like before, working your way down here, not actually cutting any meat yet. Then lift the bird up, place your knife right here, just above a little bit of bone right there, and just down like that. I like to switch hands. It's a little tricky to go on your off hand, but for me it seems to work just fine to do this one cut like that. Now this is an interesting trick I learned from my friend Jeremy. You'll see that there's a bit of a white line right here. If you cut just to the leg side of that, you should be able to get right between the joint without much of a problem. There's your thigh. So again, that white line just inside. Hopefully. Oh. There it is. Oh, I'll adjust. There we go. Oops. That's where you've taken out the wing. Find the hole, place your knife in here, pull straight back, flip the bird over, find the next hole right there, throw your knife straight to the back. Then you can just simply rip the back off the bird, like that. That'll work for soups or your dog food if you're doing that. The reason I love this so much is because you've cut the ribs in half, you can now turn the bird over and it sits very flat, and it's much easier to take the breast meat off when your bird's not rolling around on the chopping board. Again, you're just following the ribs down, taking off as much meat as possible. A flexible knife helps for that as well. Sorry, rest. I've just got the wishbone caught a little bit here. Just gonna cut that out. There we go. There's the other breast. There's really not much left on the carcass at all. And you can tell, you can get pretty proficient at it as well.